Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevy Silverado Trailboss LT. This one has leather trim and all of the bells and whistles you would ever need. Nice Trailboss logo. Nice beefy off-road tires. Z71 up here on the fender. Nice red tow hooks with red accents throughout the truck. Nice back seat area, tons of room. There we go. Tool compartment. I'm going to do this drive just a little bit different and go a little bit of a different route because I've driven this on my normal route. I'll go my secondary route. I'm a huge fan of the Trailboss, always have been. I think it's a really nice truck. Not quite to the Raptor's level, but definitely Raptor-esque. And that is really cool. Great amount of power. No complaints there at all. Interior of this truck is really nice. Tons of storage compartments and little cubbies. Total price of this truck, right under $55,000. And I still think that's a bargain for what you're getting. Right around town, really nice, comfortable, nice and complacent. These off-road tires, they are a softer compound, so I mean there's a little bit of play side to side, but it's nothing as bad as snow tires. Snow tires are the worst at that, because if you drive those above 40 degrees, they basically disintegrate. Reason for that is the difference between all-season off-road tires and stuff like that. Not only is the design of the tire itself, but the compound of the rubber. Summer tires have a different mixture of rubber that turns to a rock basically under 35, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that rubber turns solid, there's nothing you can do. It really does not provide a lot of grip at all, especially in snow and rain. Snow tires are polar opposites. they turn almost into liquid above 40 degrees. Their rubber compound is designed to stay soft and flexible under 40 degrees and colder. Even with these beefy off-road tires, not a ton of noise. It's really not bad. It could be your daily driver without a doubt. Yeah, overall, even on the highway, this thing is awesome. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.